Hi guys, we just got our new Casper adjustable frame king size mattress. The dog's over there crying. That's one of the mattresses there. That's one of the boxes. It comes in two of those boxes. And the first one we put together already, right there. And this is the second half. So once you open the box, this is what you get. You get two pieces. And you get three small boxes with some screws and some wires and some batteries. So the first thing you want to do is open all those boxes up. It comes with 4 legs, and the legs look like this. Get my wife to hold the camera. You unscrew the caps and you find the 4 corners and you screw in the legs. I already put one in over there. And it says just to hand tighten it, don't over tighten it. So we'll put that leg on like that. Pretty simple, tighten it up just by hand. The other one's already on there. Also, you can tell which side is the bottom because the bottom piece has these 2 little clips right here for the frame that goes in at the end. So this is the bottom, and then that's the headboard up there. This is the footboard. So once you put those 2 legs on, you got 2 more legs for the front. And these legs, again, they just screw in pretty easy. So screw those in. And then you're going to tighten those up just by hand. Just like that. And this one, same way. Okay. Then you're going to find these 2 little metal rods. And what you do is you line up the bottom and the top. And you insert these 2 rods in there. You kind of push all the way in and stop. And then you just push it into the headboard piece. Just clap them both together like that. And then it comes with 8 hex screws and an Allen wrench. And basically you just put the 8 screws in there. And it says not to over tighten. So the instructions say to tighten by hand until you can't go anymore, and then use the Allen wrench and do a quarter turn on the Allen wrench. So you put all those in there. Of course, I always recommend when you're tightening anything, you do 1 screw on one bolt on one side and then 1 on the other, alternate back and forth. So it's nice and tight. So get all 4 of these hand tight. Then use the Allen wrench and do a quarter turn. Looks pretty good. Maybe give this one a little more of a turn there. I'm just not going to over tighten it. Quarter turn. And quarter turn. Same thing on the other side. And tighten those in there. And that's number 3. And number 4. And I'll finish tightening those later. Then you got this little power unit here. But first you got to connect the 2 bases together. So all you have to do is take this piece and clip it into the other piece. Got 3 little pegs that line up pretty well. Snaps together. Snap that shut. And that's done. This right here is an automatic release. So if the bed is stuck up, you push this button, it will automatically go down in the event of a power failure. And this is the battery base. It's got a little battery cover here. You slip that off. And put your 2 batteries in there. And And again, this is in the event that there's some kind of power failure. The unit will be able to operate some period of time without power. So that's kind of neat. And put these batteries in, 2 9-volt batteries. And my dog is hiding over there. He's scared of the commotion. I'm sure he's looking forward to trying out the mattress. Ollie, come here, buddy. No, he's not coming. So let's get the power in there. Then there's only one plug under here, and that plugs into, actually, to give us a little extender here. So I can undo these tie wraps. And this extender plugs into the only end that will fit it. Like that. And then this is a little latch to keep it from pulling apart. The other end goes into the power supply. Like that. And then this power supply goes into the wall, to the wall outlet. Actually, I'm going to use a power strip just in case you get some kind of power surge. It won't short out the whole system. So that's pretty much it. I already tightened this side, so I really just have to tighten down this other side a little bit. And use this to speed it up here. And, okay, so now give it a quarter turn or so on that side. That side. And trying not to over tighten it. And that's that. Yeah, and so now all I gotta do is flip this bad boy over, which of course it says to be careful not to lean it against the legs. So obviously if you lean it against these legs, it could bend them. So I'm gonna just pick it up and just place it down. I got it. I think I got it, yeah. Probably a 2-person job, but there we go. And then we got the last piece that was in there, which is this little rod. And this rod goes on the end to keep the mattress from sliding off. And what you do is you just slide it in there. Get a little encouragement. Use these clips. You push them in. And that keeps the pole from sliding out. And that's it. You take the power cord that you got and plug that into an outlet. Pretty long cord, so that's good. So plug it into the outlet here, and where's the remote? And then use the remote control. Yep, okay. And I put the batteries in here already, yep. And then you push it up. And it says to hold it for about 10 seconds for the first time while it threads. There it goes. I think my light is, my bulb is loose. Yep. And there's the adjustable bed. So that's the head, and then it's got the footboard. Hold it for a few seconds, I guess, while it threads through. And there it goes. And pretty easy, 10-minute job. And then of course we got the new Casper mattress here, the Twin XL. And drop this bad boy on there. and look forward to a good night of sleep. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoy your Casper mattress. Ollie, really?